What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a DIY clothing video and all of them are mainly 90s inspired. I feel like these are things that people from the 90s would wear because I really like that style. Funny story, I actually finished editing this video and just needed to do this intro and I accidentally deleted the whole video, so I had to re-edit everything. Right now it's Friday and whenever this video goes up, that's how long it took me to re-edit, so fun, right? Okay, you probably don't give 10 chicken nuggets about what I have to say right now because the video is already up, so. Another important thing is that this video is actually a collab with the one and only Noble. I don't collab that much, but when I do, you know it's good. So you should go down below and check out her channel and subscribe to her. Let's get into this video. So this first DIY is actually very easy, but it's just kind of time consuming. So first you just want to start off by marking off the section that you want your phrase to start. Now you just want to use your scissors and cut like strips vertically, horizontal, but yeah, vertically. I'm stupid. Anyway, this last step is the most tedious and time consuming part, but I promise it's all gonna be worth it at the end. So what you want to do is pull out the horizontal strips and leave the vertical strips. So the vertical strips are gonna be what make up the fringe effect, which is what we're going for. These are super unique and I really love how they turned out. DIY numero dos, let's get it. The first step is that you obviously need to type up the words that you're gonna need for the shirts, and I use the word peachy. Hey man, you can take this however you want to take it, but I just thought it looked nice, so yeah. I just printed it out on dark transfer paper because my shirt was dark. Then I tried to use my X-Acto knife to cut it out, but it wasn't really working because the paper was a really weird texture. So I just decided to use my good old scissors, you know what I'm talking about? My transfer paper said I need to cut as close as possible to the letters, so I did that, but I didn't get every single white piece off of it. But I kind of like that because it gave it like a vintage vibe, you know? Now you want to take them over to your shirts and just organize them. Now I just placed this parchment paper, I think, over the letters, which came with my transfer paper, and then I ironed over it, and now I have this cute little shirt that barely cost me any money, so yeah. Whenever I think checkered print, it just reminds me so much of the 90s, like that whole vibe is what I get from it. So I thought I'd make this really cool checkered sweater. First of all, you just want to use your ruler to draw 1-inch lines. So mark an inch every inch. I don't know if that makes any sense at all, but you can probably see what I'm doing. Then you want to do that to the opposite side of the paper and use your ruler to connect those two sides. Do that horizontally and vertically as well. Basically all we're trying to do is just make squares, but I'm trying to make them as like even as possible. Yeah, these are all my squares. After this, I laid my squares on the sweater. So what I did was I lined up 3 squares and then I took out the one in the middle so I would get an idea of like the amount of space that needs to be in between each square. Once again, I put this paper that came with the transfer paper, I'm not sure what it's called, but I put it over the squares and I started ironing on there. This is another method where you can just line them up next to each other 2 by 2. It doesn't really matter, both ways are super easy and it turns out looking nice no matter what, so you guys should definitely try this out. What am I have to say? What is this? Outro? Intro? Outro. Okay. Thank you so very much for staying to this point in the video. I hope you guys can recreate some of these outfits because these are actually things that I would wear. Because I know sometimes people make DIYs and I'm like, Comment down below which one of them were your favorites, and if you didn't like any of them, then just don't comment anything because my feelings will be hurt. And yeah, please subscribe. Okay. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button down below. Also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. That's all for today's video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. If you stop recording, I'm gonna fight you.